Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your connection is not secure browser error. If you're using any browser, it might be Chrome or Edge or any else browser, and you're facing the issue means that whenever you try to open any particular website, you might see the error that your connection is not secure. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, I recommend you have to use any VPN to access that website. So let's see how can you use a VPN